Hi everyone, I'm Raji. Welcome back. And I'm super excited today because I finally got this package from Legundary Customs. This is the rear luggage rack that I ordered a few days ago and it was just delivered yesterday. And the reason I ordered this is because the luggage rack that comes with the bike, the stock luggage rack, it's built to a cost, right? While it's rated at 3 kilos, I wouldn't want to even put 3 kilos on it because I don't want something snapping on me when I'm touring with the bike. So I did a lot of research in terms of the different racks that are available in the market. And these had 4 mounting points. There were others as well, but I finally shortlisted this one. So let's do one thing. Let's unbox the product and then we'll take it down to the bike and install it and see how it works. So this is what the main rack looks like. It is built solid, looks good as well. No rough points, welds are good. This is the mounting hardware. They're supplied you with washers, nuts, bolts, and spacers as well. So we need to see where the spacers go once we do the installation. There's an installation guide given to you here as well. When I lifted this up, this is extremely light. It's super light. Look at this. Holding it with 2 fingers. It is so light and it is built well. Look at the finishing, guys. It looks so cool. I'm in love with this brushed aluminium look. It's damn neat and it's so light. So let's do one thing. Let's take this down. We'll go to the bike and install it and look at the final outcome. So we're all set. We've loaded the new rack on the stock rack. So let's go and have this installed now and check it out. It's been raining heavily for the past couple of days in Mumbai. It's just stopped now, so it's a good time to go and get the rack installed. I hope everyone's safe. That sound is one reason I miss my classic 500, yeah. Alright, let's head back to the basement and check the rack out. These are mounting points, first, second, and on the other side you have your third and the fourth one. The spacers go on the rear bolt. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, ride hard, ride safe, but don't be a squid. There is someone waiting for you at home. Signing off.